Hey guys, welcome back to Login Join. Today I'm going to show you how to add music on Instagram stories. So let's open our Instagram application. Here, tap the plus icon to add your story. Now go to this sticker sign. You will see music option right here. In case you don't find this option, tap on search and type in music. And you will find it right here. Tap it. There are a bunch of songs that you can find, or you can also browse in here. Select the song you want. Now here you can also see the lyric in the screen. Tap which line you want to show in your screen. You can also select the timer. Tap done once you are done. And now you can post it to your story. This is pretty much it for how to add music on your Instagram stories. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.